The West Bengal government's efforts against combating COVID-19 has once again come under doubts after nurses began quitting their jobs and moving out of the state. About 300 Manipuri nurses have returned to their home state already from West Bengal while alleging lack of proper PPE kits and even racism. Meanwhile, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has reacted to the development. The Chief Minister said if anyone from the state feels discriminated at their workplace, they have the liberty to return to their home state as the government will not force them to stay there.
Manipur, we are in a green zone, but we cannot deny the entry of our brothers and sisters and our children who are stranded outside this state. Many peoples, many students, many patients are stranded. So when we bringing them, these positive, 2-3 positives comes found amongst the returnee in Manipur, which we cannot deny. We are also expecting some more too, because many stranded peoples from the orange zone, even including from the red zone, are returning, which we cannot deny and we cannot stop. So the state government is fully prepared to face the consequences, and we have enough staff, strength, quarantine center, testing facilities. We are going to test one and all whoever returned from outside the state. There is no such kind of advisory from the state government. We are not asking anybody to come, might be nurses, doctor. We feel proud of them when they are working in Calcutta, when they are working in Delhi, when they are working in Chennai, when they are working in Maharashtra, serving the patients, serving the peoples. And we, state government, has already declared that we will compensate and we will reward them when they go for the treatment of the COVID-19 infected patients. And the state government is totally and fully behind them. And there is no such advisory, calling back them to the state. There is no such advisory, but if the persons, if the nurses, if the doctors doesn't feel comfortable in their service company, in their center, in the hospital where they are working, that is up to them. But I cannot also force them to stay there. See, it is their choice. If they are not comfort, if they have been victimized, they have been discriminated, then we cannot force them to stay there. That's the reason. That might be the reason why they are coming.
We also have reactions from Samita, a senior nursing official working in a reputed hospital in Kolkata. The senior nursing official has exposed the facilities provided by the hospital authorities in Kolkata. She alleged that the nurses treating COVID patients are being provided accommodations along with other nurses who are not treating COVID patients, thus exposing them to the deadly virus.
Hello, my name is Samita and I have been working as an assistant nursing superintendent in one of the reputed hospital in Kolkata. As we all know that now there is a burning situation regarding the Manipuri nurses, flying back to their hometown, leaving the job in Kolkata. So let me put the reason into two reasons. One is the clinical, another one is a non-clinical. Clinical reason is the improper provision of the this PPE or as inadequate provision. And next is the quarantine protocol. Nurse taking a COVID patient and the nurse who is not taking a COVID patient are kept in the same hostel, sharing the same kitchen, sharing the same washroom. And another one is a quarantine protocol. The nurse who had taken the COVID patient, how far they are being kept in the quarantine, are they really kept in the quarantine or not. Now a nurse who is taking a COVID patient, once they get a positive, who is going to take a treatment, who is going to take the responsibilities of their treatment? Is it a hospital? Once they are diagnosed with positive, why they are being sent to the government hospital? Why they are not treating in the same hospital where the other COVID patients are also there? So this is the burning issues. And then, is there any proper screening of all the staff in the in-house properly or not? How far the management is being taken care of this? And another is a shifting duty. When you do the 12 hours duty, how many ops you are supposed to get it? So now coming into the non-clinical, the burning crisis, the social discriminations. People are not allowed to buy foods from the grocery shop. They are being called as a corona. They are being called as a chinky eyes. They have, spitting of the pan on their face, and then shortage of food, holding of the salaries, and then insecurity feelings. So combining with all these things, a panic situation is being created. So things are not baseless. Everybody has gone, have some solid reason behind. They all are adult, they all are able to decide their own feelings. So I think that the Manipuri nurses who left their job, or else who left their workplace, who had gone to Manipur, have some solid reason behind, and these are the common problems which they are facing. So as being in the management, we all should take care of our nurses, because they are the frontline warriors, and at this time, this is a high time that we should really take care, and we should really think something so that we can prevent the nurses going back. But one thing I would like to tell you, even though the 300 nurses, whatever the many news is being said, there are more than 1,200 nurses in Kolkata working still, and out of that, even though with 300 left, also there are more than 800 warriors are still there, not leaving their job, but they are really in the front line, fighting for this pandemic.